In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix manually GTN MPN issues in Google Merchant Center next, specifically addressing the product's limited visibility. This process is essential for ensuring that your products are properly listed and visible to potential customers. Let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to www.google.com retail. This is the starting point for accessing your Google Merchant Center account. Once there, click on the Sign In button and select Sign In to Merchant Center. This will take you directly to your account dashboard where all the product management happens. Next, it's crucial to verify your product identifiers. For every product that's showing limited visibility issues, you'll need to ensure that you have a few essential details in place. These include the brand, which is the manufacturer's brand name, the GTIN, known as the Global Trade Item Number, which is a unique identifier like UPC, EAN, or ISBN, and the MPN, or Manufacturer Part Number, another unique identifier assigned by the manufacturer. Having these identifiers is vital for product recognition and visibility within the Merchant Center. Once you have verified these identifiers, it's time to update the product data in the Google Merchant Center. Navigate to the Products section and then click on Needs Attention. This area displays any products that have issues requiring your prompt intervention. It's a good practice to frequently check this section to maintain the health of your product listings. Now you're going to filter out the products that have the missing identifiers issue. This step allows you to zone in on the specific items that need your attention. When you find a product with an issue, click on the product title. This will open detailed information about the product, and here you can select Edit Product. In the product editing page, it's important to ensure that the product has either an accurate GTIN or both a correct MPN and brand name. This combination of identifiers is necessary for the product to be fully recognized by Google's systems and to enhance its visibility in Google shopping results. After you've made these changes, click Save. Saving your updates ensures that the Merchant Center recognizes the corrections and starts working to lift any visibility limitations from the product. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve GTN MPN issues that result in limited visibility in your Google Merchant Center listings. This process not only helps improve the discoverability of your products, but also enhances your overall e-commerce success. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.